Hi everybody, it's General Machine here. I just want to let you know I am back, hopefully doing some more YouTube videos. We did get the Honda Civic K-Swap on the go, as you can see. It did happen in the end. I had this car donated to me by a friend for absolutely $0 and pounds. She's got no rust, she's clean as a whistle. She's a 1996. The original engine had 60,000 miles on it, and the previous owner for some reason serviced it twice a year, so the engine is immaculate. So if anyone wants a 1.4 engine from a 96, it's yours for £300. As you can see, the interior is really nice, so I won't be touching it because it's going to be left like a bit like a sleeper. Things have been happening to it off camera. You can catch me on Instagram. There's my brother-in-law there in his socks. I will put the Instagram page in the bottom. As you can see, things are already going on. I've got an EG6 front subframe in with brand new steering rack. It's got the conversion in there, so it works on the original rack. The radiator's already been moved. We've got a brand new high performance radiator, high performance fan. Haven't done the brake servo yet. I'm just looking for a DC2 one. The front hubs are all done. It's got EG6 front hubs with extended wheel lugs ready for the spoon, calipers and brake pads. All the arms have been painted up. Suspension has all been sanded down, also painted up. It's all been undercoated underneath as well. This is all little bits that have been happening off camera. A few little areas that needed a little bit of welding. This wasn't even rust. I think it had been poked up with something, so we just cut it out and put a piece in. The engine bay hasn't been spray painted. It's just been brush painted with POR 15, and I think the result's really good. I'm pretty happy with it. I'm not going for concourse, I'm just going for an everyday user. She's got brand new wings on both sides because the previous owner, I think, smacked it on here. But luckily for me, I want to facelift this car anyway, because I don't like the way the old ones look. Because I really do love the way my silver one looks, so I'm going to pass it over to this. So that's the front end. So if anyone wants any parts for 96er up until 97 before the facelift, I've got everything, because I'm getting rid of the rear lights because I like the newer ones. Oh, I thought it that ready. Got the original lights in the back as well. If anyone wants those, we can have them, 20 quid each. Tow bars staying on, again sticking with the sleeper motif. Paintwork, yeah, it's not too bad. It's got some scratches here and there. It's got a couple there, but it'll buff out nice. I'm planning to try and keep the original colour if I can, just because it is in such good nick. It's not screwed. We even got good tyres on it, but such a shame I won't be using those. So I'm going to have to go slightly bigger on the wheels to accommodate the spoon calipers, which I really can't wait for. It's got a few little scratches on the back there, but nothing to worry about. It might buff out when I get the buffer on it. Some quite heavy scratches on the top, but I think that's from a roof rack, because if you can't see it on camera, but if you look close enough you can see where the roof rack was sat as a perfect square there. I think that's about it so far. New parts coming all the time. We're at the moment looking for an engine, so we can get that on the go. Engine bay itself's pretty much there now, just got to order the mounts, get the mounts in there and there. I've got to order the wiring loom, and the fuel pressure regulator, which is going to go here. But I will do videos on these little bits. So I hope you like this one, guys. This is Drill Machine, signing off.